Alright, today we're looking at a 2015 certified Honda Civic LX. It's got 35,000 miles on it. It's a Carfax one owner. It's modern steel metallic in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. We'll start here on the driver's side. Everything looks really good coming up the driver's side here. Alright, it is equipped with the rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything's in really good shape on the exterior of this Civic. Alright, it's a 15 certified LX Civic, 35,000 miles on it, Carfax one owner. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the gray and black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, excuse me. Gray cloth. Alright, driver's seat looks good. Does come with the keyless entry key fob. Okay, and then in the center console here you do have a USB hookup. Passenger seat cloth looks good. Alright, no problems there. It is an automatic. It's got your auxiliary and power outlet down there. Climate control center here. AM FM CD player there. Does have a display screen right here with the mileage and whatnot, and then it will have your backup camera right there, and we'll show you that in a second. Steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth, and it's got your econ button right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 35,802 miles. Let's go ahead and engage the backup camera. Alright, and then as you can see, it does have the digital speedometer. Okay, and I'll pan out right here and I'll show you the layout of the Civic. It's lit up real nice. Okay, it's laid out very nicely. Alright, over here we have the AM FM CD player, dual climate controls. Okay, AC's blowing cold, no problems there. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Alright, door panels look good back here. Back seat cloth's in good shape. No issues back here at all. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the trunk space. Carpet back here looks good. It does have the spare tire there. Okay, I'll step to the side, let you see the depth and just how much space you got. Plenty of room in these Civics. Let's check out the wheels and tires. Alright, 15-inch steel wheels. Alright, it's got the nice plastic hubcaps on there. Tires are in good shape. No problem there. Alright, once again, it's a 2015 certified Honda Civic LX. 35,000 miles on it. Alright, it's got a Carfax one owner. Okay, it's in great shape inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.